Welcome back to Hernando Hot Rods. Today we're out here again at Leadfoot City. We got the old Nova out here. Not much has changed. I think we have a little 3-inch spacer underneath the carb, and we went back to the snorkel hood. So we're gonna make a pass and see what she does. See if we can get in the 6s. 15 pounds of air pressure, and for right now, because it's been a minute, because it's been so hot, we're gonna do just foot brake right now until I get used to the car, and then we're gonna leave on brake. So let's get after it. Alright, so ran a 724 at 98 miles an hour. I'm pretty sure somewhere around the 60 foot it got a little sideways and spun. 760 foot, but not too bad for my first pass in this car, so gonna give her another shot. Alright, so made another run again, spun, but I think I was in second gear. Not a good start, but I ran at 879 because I was already in second. Can't shift from first to second if you're already there. So yeah, 879 at 59 miles an hour. Gonna probably hot lap this thing, give it another try. Let's go. That pass is still spun in the 60 foot, but it was the best for me today, 1.6. And then 704 at 99.93. I think if I left at a little bit more RPM, definitely left on the trans brake and the chip, this definitely would have been a 6-second pass, but I'm still getting used to the car. Third pass ever for me in it, so not too shabby. 704 for third pass for me in the car. No trans brake, foot braking it, 13 pounds of PSI, and about 5,500 leave, which is still super soft. We're not even on limiter yet. So thank you so much for watching Hernando Hot Rods. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.